Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to download mobile banking application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, find App Store on your device if you are an iOS user, or find Play Store on your device if you are an Android user. Then open it. In the search bar, type in MOBILE Mobile Bank UK and then click search. Scroll down a little bit until you find this logo and click on it. Now click on Get button. You need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or in passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. Click on Allow for the notifications. Now you can enjoy the Danske Bank mobile bank application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.